So hello all the Star Technophiles, this is Ojasvi Jain and this video will going to be a very informative to all of you. Here I am going to tell about a kind of a mandatory topic that you should learn first in a JavaScript learning journey. And this is a kind of a very important topics that makes you understand how to write a JavaScript program, like how to understand any kind of logic that is written on a JavaScript. I always mention that there are so many things are there in a programming language. You should have an idea that what you should consider first and from which topic you should start first, so that you can learn the things in a very systematic manner. So that's I really want to do for you. But before going ahead, I really want to share a kind of a learning pattern that we are following from our school life. What exactly that one is? So whenever we are learning any logical subject, let's consider one of the logical subject is nothing but a mathematics. So in a mathematics, whenever we are learning anything, for example, what our teacher will do, our teacher will teach you a kind of a basics thing first in a very detailed manner. What exactly it is, I really want to give you an example. In a primary school, for a calculation purpose, our teacher will teach you a kind of the tools which is related for the calculation purpose. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basic tools to to do any kind of calculation, right? So what we have to do, we have to practice these tools again and again. We practice that operators again and again, so that we can easily apply in any complicated problem to for their solution purpose, right? If we talk about advanced mathematics, in advanced mathematics we have a integration, differentiation. So whatever teachers will do for you, teachers will give you a kind of a reason, like why we should use it, where we should use it, what are the kind of a significance of these things in mathematics, so that we can use that to resolve any kind of a complicated problem in a mathematics. So while resolving any problem, you are using these basics operators to figure out the particular solution of that problem, right? You are not inventing anything, like any kind of things to resolve that thing, or you are not inventing some kind of extra concept in a mathematics. Okay, you are just using this operator only in a different way according to your understanding, right? These things you can apply in the JavaScript as well. In a JavaScript, that you can consider this as a tools only. These are the tools only in the JavaScript that you can understand any kind of problem. And once you have an idea how these things are working, what are the significance of this, where to use it, what to use it, then you can use this thing to resolve any kind of problem that is there in a real-time project, that you can apply that very easily. So without any delay, let's see the list that we will going to cover in our future videos in detailed manner. What exactly it is. First, we will cover the fundamental things about the JavaScript, like how to declare a variable, like let, const, and scope related concept regarding the let and const. We will cover that first. Then we will cover the basics thing we will find it out in every programming languages, like conditional statement, if statement, if else statement, switch statements, and ternary operator is extremely important one. It's extremely important one in the JavaScript. We will learn these things, we will cover that stuff. Then move to the very important part is nothing but data types. In a JavaScript, there are two types of data type. One is a primitive one, another one is a non-primitive one. In a primitive one, there are almost 4 to 5 data types, but in my priority list, there are 3 data types. It is extremely important to learn that First one is a number type, second one is a string type, and third one is a boolean type. In a number type, we will cover each and every operation that we can perform on a number. In a number, implicitly implicitly in a JavaScript there is a integer and float as well. Both we will going to cover in a number part only. Then the string one, extremely important part in the JavaScript. In the string, we will cover each and every operation, like how to do substring, how to remove first character, how to remove last character, how to convert any number into string. We will cover each and everything. In a boolean part, we will learn the concept regarding a boolean, like how to check whether it is a boolean or not, and all the basics operation related it. Now the next one is nothing but a non-primitive data type. In a non-primitive data type, we will going to learn the object, array, and function in very detail. In object, we will cover each and every concept related to the CRUD operations, like how to create, how to delete, how to add, and how to update the keys, and how to iterate the object. What are the concept regarding the destructuring? What are the concept regarding the spread operator, rest operator related to the object? We will cover each and everything. Next, talk about the array is extremely important data structure in the JavaScript. We will going to cover each and every iterative function like map, filter, reduce, sum, for each, everything in a detail. Why we are using it, what are the difference in all these functions in with respect to the array. We will cover each and everything. And the function, very amazing part. In a JavaScript function, you will figure out in a very different way. So you will going to enjoy each and everything in a very detail in a future playlist. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will get the instant notification whenever I come up with any videos. So as of now, take care, have a nice day, and see you in the next video.